My goodness, the chickens are shouting. So we're wondering, is this Dave, the nice one who eats out of your hand? Now don't be throwing that seed over. No, right, no, no, no.
I will.
No, you don't throw seed at people, and that stings and that could hurt their face.
No, give me.
Wait till a few more come, and then we'll put some more out.
I wonder.
There's all the ducks in a line coming down. Like, do you see them all in a line? Oh, the ducks are in the water. The ducks are coming down. They're all swimming in a line. So, oh, there's some geese there. Is it? Is that the cheeky one? Alright, hold on, do I see? Tommy, don't let her put her hand in that because she's firing that at me in the cheek. Oh! Hold on. Let me see if I can get wee. Hello, Dave. It is, I told you. Here he comes. Come on, sweetheart. There you go. There you go. You want some? Huh? No.
Eva got some.
He's not hungry. There you go. Do you want some? Not hungry. Wonder if the pigeons will come down. Come on. Hey, Dave. Is it? Hey, Dave. I don't think that is Dave.
Eva put on my phone.
Ava.
Yeah, look at her clothes.
Give me that. Kelly, come on back here a wee minute with me. Don't be putting that in Kelly's hair now. It's the chickens. Look, oh, they're sitting there looking at you feeding the geese. And they're not getting them. Oh, the wee fluffy one's kicked off. What are you shouting about? Eh? What are you shouting about? That's the weirdest looking chicken I've ever seen. What was that? Eh? Oh, wee black fluffy one. Hello. And these ones see all the seed being thrown about for the geese. And they're all waiting, aren't you? Eh? Hello. Hello. So that's okay. We'll wipe it off. Hello. It's a lovely place to come down with the grandkids. I'll catch you later.